So apparently, hope recording is started. So apparently there is a new model in town, a new image generation model जो flux context GPT image सबसे better है. And there is no real way to access this website जो मैंने खोल के रखी है nanobanana.ai. This is fake. This is some vibe coded bullshit. If you can see, this is very clearly made with clouds on it. Now, the only way that you can actually access Nano Banana is via LM Arena. If you don't know what LM Arena is, it is basically a leaderboard platform जहाँ पे as per the people's rating लोग rate करते हैं कि वो दो models का आपको output मिलेगा and it will tell you that either this model is good or this model is good. That's what you have to give, and you can just use the models for free. And so right now top पे Gemini 2.5 Pro है and second is GPT-5. Gemini being on the top is a little surprising, I'll be honest. But anyways, that's not what we are here to talk about. There is a new model जो अब तक listed नहीं है इधर because it's a very new model. Apparently people are claiming that Nano Banana is from Google, but we don't know that yet. Some people are saying that they are able to access Nano Banana in AI Studio, but that's not the case for me. And I saw I don't know what's his name. There's a creator whose video I saw, and even in his video he does not have access to it in AI Studio. So I don't know, but the model is probably from Google, and the only way to use it is via LM Arena. So you can go to LM Arena, यहाँ पे generate image पे click करो, and you can just generate a few images. So I'll just make a basic benchmark, और वो benchmark को हम try करते हैं image generation model के अंदर, and basically ये LM Arena will randomly pick models for us, but mostly since Nano Banana नया है and LM Arena wants to do a lot of testing on Nano Banana, अगर आप 4-5 prompt दोगे, one of them will be Nano Banana. What a weird name. Generate a list of prompts, 20 prompts to benchmark an image generation model. Let's say ये try करके देखते हैं हम लोग. Let's try out the 20 prompt. So we want to try out photorealism. Let's see. Let's see what models it's choosing. मेरे पास बहुत सारा कंटेंट नहीं है, so I'm just going to search. Give me as much content as you can to talk about Nano Banana. The new image gen model. Okay, I guess the one on the right is definitely more real looking. Left wala, it's looking like a really badly edited wallpaper. And what luck, we did not get Nano Banana here, but we got Qwen Qwen image prompt extend and Imagen 4. Imagen 4 is also a new model from Google. ठीक है, let's try another prompt. Let's hope that we get Nano Banana. मेरे को ये वीडियो एक्चुअली एडिट करना पड़ेगा यार, कट्स वट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज आई एम ऑब्वियसली नॉट गोइंग टू मेक पीपल वेट लाइक दिस, और एम आई डोंट नो, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. अगर मैं तुम लोगों के सामने कंटेंट निकाल सकता हूँ विदाउट डूइंग रिसर्च एंड सीधा वीडियो शूट करना चालू कर सकता हूँ, तो फिर भाई कट लगाए बिना तो वीडियो बना ही सकते हैं ना. सो द स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ इट इज़ इमेज एडिटिंग, विच येस आई रिमेंबर्ड, बट मैं मेंशन करना भूल गया. सो इट इज़ रियली गुड एट इमेज एडिटिंग, जस्ट लाइक फ्लक्स कॉन्टेक्स्ट प्रो एंड जीपीटी इमेज. सो लेट्स से आपकी इमेज कोई स्टाइल में, आपको नए स्टाइल में डालना है, या उसके ऊपर आपको टेक्स्ट लगा देना है, स्पेसिफिक एडिट्स करने हैं, टेक अ पर्सन को बाजू में कर दो, समथिंग लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग नैनो बनाना इज़ रियली गुड एट. एंड अपेरेंटली जो मैंने टेस्टिंग देखी इसकी, इट गेट्स फेसेस परफेक्टली, एंड सो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू टेस्ट दैट एक्चुअली. अभी याद आया, मन जादवानी, लेट्स सी इमेजेस में मेरी कोई इमेजेस हैं क्या इधर. हु आर दीज पीपल? आई एम मन जादवानी, वो ये लोग कौन है बाकी सारे? या सो लेट्स ट्राई यूजिंग दिस इमेज. इसको कॉपी करते हैं एंड लेट्स से ओके, सो I think I prefer the image to the left, but I think both are fine. It depends on what style you prefer. I prefer the style on the left, and that is GPT image, and the one to the right is मतलब दोनों अच्छे ही मॉडल है, but again we did not get nano banana. Let's hope we get nano banana this time. Put me in YouTube no, let's not do a YouTube thumbnail. Put me in a cyberpunk outfit with a subscribe gun. Let's say that. What happens when I do that? I mean, this is a very good video where we are testing LM Arena as well, but I would really like it if जो टॉपिक के बारे में हमारा वीडियो है उस टॉपिक what is this? Oh, that, wait, my face is, see, that's not me, right? That is not me, but that looks kind of close to me. I don't know. The second one just generated a black image. Okay, so I prefer the one on the left, which is nano banana. See, that's not bad. Kind of looks like me. At least it's better than GPT image, which will change my face completely. Apparently, I have a unique looking face, and that's why or I don't know, these models are bad. One of those two. Let's do another prompt with my face. Make me wearing a black hoodie, sitting on a gaming chair on a mountain. Weird prompt, but let's see what it comes out with. Meanwhile, let's go through this. So it's very good at image editing. It has very good image one-shot accuracy, exceptional object and character persistence, as we talked about and as we saw just now. Advanced editing features local image editing, modifies specific areas while preserving overall composition. Okay. Layout aware outpainting. So it's very similar to the features of GPT image, except as we saw, it does it a little better. Users have demonstrated Nano Banana's versatility through impressive examples. Okay. Superior prompts understanding. So excels at interpreting intricate multi-step editing instructions. So I guess what I gave was pretty weird and multi-step. Let's see if it's able to do that. Scene context preservation. Okay, so it's very good at preservation. Despite its popularity, the creator of Nano Banana still remains unknown. While some speculate it could be Google or next generation GPT variant, no developer has officially claimed the ownership. So we still don't know who owns Nano Banana, but it is a really good model. I think that's all of the. Okay. See, I am nowhere as skinny as that, and the guy in this photo looks pretty tall. But see, this is what I'm talking about. I am so sure that the one on the right is Nano Banana because no other model can do this. That's not me. That is me if I had a seizure. This is me. That is my face. And that is Nano Banana. 100%. Oh. Oh, पोपट हो गया. Wait. Is flux context that good? I did not know that. Shit. Okay. Fine. Fine. Apparently, flux context can also do this. But okay, flux context dev, which is even more surprising because I thought it was pro, and then I would have said, yeah, fine. I haven't tested the pro model, but I have tested the dev model, and it would keep butchering my face. But suddenly it's good now. Okay, okay. Let's try the same prompt again. क्योंकि well, obviously I want to see what Nano Banana can do, uh, and I want to add one more thing. Make it a drone view shot, and I am looking at the camera. My face is visible. Let's make it a little harder for whatever model comes. My face is visible, and I am holding a gun. Well, let's not do a gun. And I'm holding a monitor in my hand. The weirdest prompts on the internet, you'll get them here. Let's hope we get Nano Banana this time. आई एम सॉरी गाइज, मैं ये कट नहीं करने वाला, सब देख लो, कोई चिंता नहीं. स्टे एंटरटेन्ड. Oh, that is. What the hell is that? Okay. This is definitely better, but I don't think either is Nano Banana. But as always, Popat ho sakta hai. It has butchered my face in the same way. So I think it is Quen Image Edit. But this one is better. Yeah, it's Quen Image Edit. There we go. So Quen Image Edit has this really quirky. It kind of loses the detail of your face. Interesting. Let's try that one more time. And let's hope we get Nano Banana this time. Actually, मैं वीडियो का टाइटल ही चेंज कर देता हूँ. लेट्स मेक द वीडियो टाइटल टेस्टिंग आउट न्यू AI image gen models or these image gen. Okay, that is not me again. What is this? So is it Gemini again? This one, it is Gemini Flash, and this is Nano Banana. So I am a little disappointed with what it's done with my face. This is definitely not me. I mean, the guy looks very similar to me, and he is holding a monitor in his hand, but I guess this this is a better output because that is just, it just feels like कि वो मेरा face Photoshop से copy paste कर दिया है इधर. That is me. Okay, let's try some other prompts. A minimalistic poster with the, okay. Let's see that it can do typography good. Wow, dandruff. Nice. Okay. Waiting. I am still waiting. What other testing are we doing? Long range context, a knight in full armored riding a horse. Oh, that could be interesting because Nano Banana specifically, people specifically claim that it is really good at like in depth editing. And symbolic surreal prompts, a human handmade of glass. Oh, product mock-ups. I am very interested in seeing product mock-ups. And what else could be interesting? Maybe a logo design and a fantasy world design. That's what we'll test. That's pretty good text. I would say the one on the right is better. That's just ideogram. Matlab you can actually tell that this is ideogram, but I assume Nano Banana would have worked differently. Anyways, a knight in full armor riding a horse across a battlefield. Hopefully we get Nano Banana for this. The Nano Banana is not that fast. It feels so weird to say the name. While a dragon breathes fire in the sky above. Both models got it pretty good. I think I like the one on the right better. And that is again Flux Context Pro, and this is Nano Banana. I don't like the style of this. So almost every time I have done a wrong assumption of what Nano Banana is. I was very excited to test it out more क्योंकि मेरे initial testing में it was doing a really good job, and जो public opinion है that's really good. Of course, I don't see any other model than Flux Context Pro outperforming it. Even Quen Image Edit is a new model, and that is not even close to what Nano Banana and Flux Context Pro are at. But at least in my testing, Flux Context is looking better as of right now in the video. I mean the one on the left. Definitely the one on the left. That's more creative, I guess. Neither of the models are the ones that we wanted, but good to know that we can do that. Let's make a product mock-up. And hopefully this is Nano Banana because I want to end the video. Do I look tired? Because I am tired. I slept through the day, like after coming back from the event, but I'm still so tired, bro. Oh, I would say the one on the left is better, very clearly. That is Quen Image Prompt Extend. I mean, we got a few Nano Banana images. I guess this video is still valid, right? Doesn't matter anyways. I'm ending it. मैं थक गया हूँ भाई. Good night, guys. I hope you guys like this video. You'll probably like LM Arena. That's a very good tool. I bet most of you did not know about this. Go try out LM Arena. go try out Nano Banana. When someone claims Nano Banana, I'll let you guys know. All right, thank you so much for watching. Tada, bye bye.